Colorado has enacted a groundbreaking gun control law aimed at limiting the firepower of popular firearms like the AR-15 by restricting detachable magazines. Signed by Governor Jared Polis, this legislation is among the strictest in the nation and could influence the national gun control debate. Under the new law, residents can only purchase firearms with detachable magazines if they obtain a special license and complete safety training. Gun rights groups are concerned this could effectively ban some of America's most popular firearms.